It's a live entertainment for you. We've got the backing band tonight on bass, Henry Tupou. On the keys, Jordan Party, with the man himself, Tupou, and of course, Rooster. Here tonight to showcase our Cook Island music and entertainment alongside with our up-and-coming artists representing the Oilers, their Wakas, their Inuas. Let's go.
So give me hope, Joanna, give me hope, Joanna, give me hope, Joanna, for the morning sun. Give me hope, Joanna, give me hope, Joanna, hold me for the morning sun. Let's go! Mario, 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 Mrs. Captain go away. They fight it, they pound out the away. They know eat the pie. Mrs. Captain go away. They fight it, they pound out the away. They know eat the pie. Then I'm hit the photo. I'll give me a matova in there. Away, they must do it. E fare caciua boe, e a padere te poroe, e matura ai tonaneti. E aue, te marauti, oh I am sorry, te marauti buka taue. E aue, te marauti, oh I am sorry, te marauti buka taue. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our first artists, we are coming to that time right